Saw that, I had to have it. Okay, the camera's telling me I need to hurry. So here's his cute little statue of Santa Claus with his pheasant, which I'll be using every year. Hello! So I better hurry because I don't know how long this phone is going to last me, and I don't do very well in putting stuff together yet. I don't know how. And then over here, I just have my shelf with the little gingerbread goodies and cupcakes and all the penguins and little Santa Claus mug and stuff and all the pan dulces and the candies and the macaroons and the meringues on a stick. Those are new, guys. Aren't they pretty? They came out really nice. I really like them. And further down, my pies. I got that cute sign. I just want to bake stuff and watch Christmas movies all day. So there it is. And then over here, of course, I have my radio, my plants. And I have set out this little table, which now is a little messy because I had a punch bowl. We actually used my amber glass punch bowl, carnival glass bowl. And I'm going to see what I do with this little table now. And up there on top of my fridge is also another arrangement that I made. So that's about it, guys. But I hope you enjoyed it. I am so happy about this table setting. I just love it. So I think I better get going before I get cut off. If I haven't gotten cut off already. I don't think so, but I'm going to take chances. So until next time, guys, this is Brenda from Brey'sWays. Stay creative. Still stay safe. Stay cheerful. Stay having fun. Do all the good stuff, right? Make new memories. Just be very careful, okay? Be super, super duper careful. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.